Good afternoon. Today, pakita ko sa inyo yung aming Montessori inspired shelf ng aming toddler na aming 1-year-old. Inspired lang kasi, my baby is pushing me. Inspired lang kasi hindi talaga siya kasing ganda ng the usual Montessori shelf that you see. Okay, so, I'll show it to you kasi bagong linis siya. Bagong ayos. So, habang malinis pa siya, habang maayos pa, pakita ko niya. Alright. So, later, I'll show, yes, baby, wait, hold up. Okay, so I'll just show it to you. Okay, so here, baby is pushing me away from the shelf. Hold up, baby. Hold up. Alright, so here, meron kaming 1, 2, 3, 4 layers ng shelves. And then, on the topmost, ano lang to, DVDs, CDs, collection, and some art, mga art ka-artehan ng anak ko na panganay. So, yan. So, wag natin pakakalaman kasi yan ang kanyang Christmas decor dun. Yan. So, on the third level na to. Third level. Ito yung mga stacking rings that she has. These are sorting shapes. Just open it. There. I like this brand kasi aside from the shape sorter, meron siyang texture. So, yeah, the kids are noisy. Ganyan talaga pag bagong kain. So, ito, meron siyang texture here on top para malaman niya kung ano yung saang side ng box. So, pag stripe yung side nung yung mismong block, dito siya sa side na to. Or if pag ganito, yung parang mga triangles, yan. So, each side of the box has a different texture. And then here, just stacking cups. Stacking cups. And then ito for her. So that's her first shelf. So sa baba, here, puzzle. Naghahanap pa ako ng the one with shapes, pero for now, ito muna. Wala pa akong budget for the shapes. Ito muna. These are from her kuya. Bata pa siya. So, we still have it. So, yan. And then, here in this lunchbox, it's just knickknacks. Yan. Yan na siya. Nag-start na siya manggulo. Nag-start na. Okay. So, yung mga rings, link rings. Yan. Nagagalit siya pag hindi niya makuha yan. Pag niya, naipit ako, anak. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. And then, over here, this is her sensory basket. What's that? Yes, sensory basket. So, ito yung kanyang cloth book about the different farm tales. So, may sound siya. And then, the texture of the different fabrics meron here. Different fabrics. And then, ibang laman ng ng basket. Let's put it down. Sensory bottle. Oops, here. This is color green. Tatlo to eh. Nabasag yung isa. So, primary color sana yung gagawin ko. We don't have red, kaya green na nangyari. And then, the yellow one, nabasag. So, this bottle, I got it from BB or Bayabi, paano ba pronounce yun? Sa mall, yung mga pang travel sizes ng bottles, doon siya. Medyo mahal to, 50 pesos ang isa. Kaya nung nabasag yung isa, hindi na ako bumili ulit. So, medyo mahal siya. Before, what we used was mineral bottles. Kaso, masyadong mabigat yung mineral bottle. So, naghanap ako na mas maliit. So, if you can find siguro mas murang alternative, yun, better. So, this is color blue. And then meron siyang stars sa loob. There. And then the other items here inside. Yan. She has her shaker. And another shaker. Ito, lalagyan ng vitamins. Before. Parang yan. Iba na yung laman. Rice. Yes. Rice na yung laman yan. Then, meron pa akong isang dito dapat. Supposedly sa pang bottle. For different scents. Kaso nawala niya yung takip. So, ang gagawin ko na lang, ang alternative ko, kasi medyo mahal rin nilalagyan nun. Kasi Beyabi din yun. Hintayin ko na lang maubos ito. Itong lalagyan ng powder. So, just open this. There. Ayan. So, meron siyang, di ba may pagitan na plastic from the powder sa dito sa taas. Hintayin ko lang ito maubos. Tapos, ito na yung gagamitin ko. Lalagyan ko lang ng cotton. For example, lagyan natin ng vanilla, yung cotton. Then, we put it inside. Oh, nagkalat na ng shelf. We put it inside the container. And then, i-return tong white plastic on top para she can just smell it. Ayan. Ayan. So, we've tried vanilla na before. So, for other essences, maganda lavender, ganun. Ayan. So, niti ko muna maubos to so we can have for her senses. There. And then, other items on the shelf. Natin yan. Yan, simula na magkalat. Dito one. This wooden xylophone. Ito, natanggal to eh. I have to fix this pa. So, this is her wooden xylophone. And then, sa pinakababang layer ng shelf, sa shelves nila, ito, this is for my son, for my 5-year-old na. Pero, the 1-year-old can also get these. So, these are busy bags na we've accumulated through the years. Iba-iba to. Ito. Ayan, so mga shapes. Hindi ko na lang kung nasa yung mga ibang shapes. This is for the spelling. Ito yung lalagyan niya. Yung lalagyan. And then, other puzzles. Other stuff. So, ilalim pa meron pa yan. So, magkakahalo-halo na yan. Nabawasan na ang iba kasi nagkawala-wala na. Pero yan. Those are his busy bags. And then here, ito, lalagyan na ito. Just art materials. Ito yung nabili ko sa Mega Mall last week. Look at the toddler, what she's doing. Nagliligpit siya. Ay, mag-focus ng camera. Nagliligpit siya. No? Kalat niya. Nagliligpit ka na ng kalat mo dyan. Very good. Yes, very good. So, here are just some of the items I got from the Mega Mall Toy Kingdom sale. Warehouse sale. So, ito yung mga art activities na hindi pa namin nagagawa. So, dito lang siya. Tabi lang siya dito. Para pag kailangan namin, hilain lang yan. And then, you wanna play with this? Sige, you play with it na. Alright. Sabi sa inyo, magugulo ka agad eh. So, kaya let's have a video na habang medyo malinis pa. And then, the last items here, this is just basahan. See, for rubber mat. Para sa rubber mat, panglinis lang yan. And then, here, practice nung paano mag-button. And then, we have here, Montessori beads from Montessori on Mars. Uy, meron nga pala siyang upcoming talk on how to do Montessori at home. If you're interested, check out the Facebook page of the Learning Basket. Itong November na siya. Murang-mura lang yung learning session. So, I hope you could come. Ay, hindi ako makakarating eh. Kasi, meron akong plans on that day. So, if you are free on that day, might as well take advantage of the seminar. So, here are the Montessori beads for counting. There. Ayan. Meron na akong okay. Sige. O, you want to play ulit. O, sige. Go get it, babe. And then, we have here some Montessori sandpaper alphabet. These are the small letters. So, lahat ng blue colored, these are the consonants. And then, lahat naman ng, I also got this from Montessori and Morse, by the way. And then, lahat ng red are vowels. So, right now, ang ginagawa pa lang ng aking little one is just touching the surface of the sandpaper alphabet. Yun pa lang, kasi hindi pa naman kami mag-start sa mga phonics or sounds ng letters or alphabet. Hindi muna. More on, more on senses lang muna kami. So, yeah. So, that's our sandpaper alphabet. So, ayan, nagulo na ang aming shelf. Yan. And then, this is the shelf niya for the books. Tinanggal ko muna yung mga books kasi i-replace ko. Papalitan ko sila ng bago. I-rotate ko yung mga books niya. Yes, kasi ulit-ulit na lang siya sa ibang books. Yung favorite niya is Brown Bear, what do you see? Right, babe? Yes. Okay, so that's our shelf. And thank you for watching. Say bye-bye.